Nako, lagi na lang laglag. Shock, you need to go down. Go down and get it. Go down, get it. Go. Yan. Doon sa ilalim. A dog night routine plays a vital role in ensuring they sleep well and wake up refreshed. So, what are the different dog night routine that you can do for your dogs? You can have evening walk or playtime. So kami, we are doing our playtime before bedtime. So it is important to give dogs some exercise. This could be a short walk or a game of fetch to burn off any excess energy. American Bully has a high energy dogs. 15 to 20 minutes session can help them relax. And exercise will help them stimulate their mental and physical to make them calm before sleep. Another is feeding. Some dog owners prefer to feed their dogs in the evening, but we prefer to feed our dog at 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and that we make sure to schedule their dinner at least. Yes. Hi. Okay. Hello, Amit. Shaq, where are you going? Ayan. We feed them at 4 p.m. You need to make sure that before bedtime, at least 1 hour after feeding. Because feeding near to bedtime will cause them discomfort or restless sleep. Your dogs will often remind you to their time to eat. They are very strict to their time. They know if it is their schedule. Then after the feeding time, of course, potty break. Okay, John. Hey, okay, John. Hey. Baba, go down. Go down. Go down, Mia. Go down. Go down. Don't kiss me. Shock. You're so kulit. Oh, this is my coffee.